In today's fast-paced world, health-conscious individuals seeking to manage their weight and maintain stable blood sugar levels face unique challenges, especially if they are living with diabetes. Breakfast, often hailed as the most important meal of the day, plays a crucial role in setting the tone for our overall well-being and energy levels. For those with diabetes or looking to shed some pounds, finding the right breakfast options that are both diabetic-friendly and conducive to weight loss can be a daunting task. Fortunately, a plethora of delectable and nutritious breakfast ideas exists that cater to the specific needs of individuals aiming to control their blood sugar levels while promoting weight loss. These breakfast choices strike a balance between low-carb, high-fiber, and protein-rich ingredients, all of which are vital in managing diabetes and supporting weight management. In this collection of diabetic-friendly breakfast ideas, we will explore 7 delicious and creative options that not only excite the taste buds but also align with health goals. From protein-packed yogurt parfaits to wholesome chia seed puddings and veggie-filled omelets, these recipes exemplify the harmony between flavor and nutrition. Each breakfast idea presented here is designed to offer sustained energy, minimize blood sugar spikes, and provide a satisfying morning experience. Furthermore, these recipes emphasize the use of whole, unprocessed ingredients, demonstrating the potential of simple yet powerful combinations to revolutionize breakfast routines and support individuals on their journey to better health. Moreover, these breakfast ideas go beyond the confines of diabetes management. They are also ideal for those seeking to shed extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and portion control, these breakfast choices can aid in fostering a healthier lifestyle that extends beyond the early hours of the day. Incorporating these diabetic-friendly breakfast ideas into your daily routine may pave the way for improved blood sugar regulation, increased satiety, and sustained weight loss. However, it is essential to remember that individual dietary needs may vary, and consulting with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional is always recommended for personalized advice. Join us as we embark on this culinary journey, exploring the delectable world of diabetic-friendly breakfasts designed to nourish the body, delight the senses, and contribute to a vibrant and fulfilling lifestyle. Let these breakfast ideas inspire you to take charge of your health, embrace the art of mindful eating, and discover the immense potential that lies within simple, yet thoughtfully crafted, morning meals. Here's a detailed 7-day meal plan with breakfast, lunch and dinner ideas, focusing on balanced and nutritious meals. Day 1. Breakfast. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer unsweetened Greek yogurt with fresh berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, and a sprinkle of crushed nuts or seeds, e.g., almonds, chia seeds, or flax seeds. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and has a lower carbohydrate content compared to regular yogurt. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad. 1. Grilled chicken breast slices on a bed of mixed greens, spinach, arugula, and lettuce. 2. Cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and sliced avocado. 3. Dressing, olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Dinner. 1. Baked salmon with quinoa. 2. Baked salmon fillet with a squeeze of lemon. 3. Quinoa pilaf with sautéed vegetables, bell peppers, zucchini, and onions. 4. Steamed broccoli on the side. Day 2. Breakfast. Veggie omelet. Whisk together eggs or egg whites with a dash of milk and pour the mixture into a non-stick skillet. Add your favorite veggies, such as spinach, bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions. Cook until the omelet is set and folded in half. Serve with a side of avocado for healthy fats. Lunch. Turkey and veggie wrap. 1. Whole grain tortilla filled with lean turkey slices, lettuce, sliced bell peppers, and hummus. 2. Carrot sticks on the side. Dinner. 1. Vegetable stir-fry. 2. Tofu or lean beef stir-fried with broccoli, snap peas, bell peppers, and mushrooms. 3. Served with cauliflower rice. Day 3. Breakfast. Chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, along with a dash of vanilla extract and a sugar substitute like stevia. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, top it with sliced almonds and a few berries. Lunch. Chickpea salad. 1. Mixed chickpeas, diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, chopped parsley, and crumbled feta cheese. 2. Dressing. Lemon juice, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Dinner. Stuffed bell peppers. 1. Bell peppers filled with lean ground turkey, or plant-based protein, quinoa, diced tomatoes, and spices. 2. Baked in the oven until tender. Day 4. Breakfast. Avocado toast. Mash half an avocado and spread it on a slice of whole grain or low-carb bread. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. You can add some cherry tomatoes or a poached egg on top for extra flavor and nutrients. Lunch, lentil and vegetable soup. 1. Hearty soup made with lentils, carrots, celery, onions, and tomatoes. 2. Side of mixed greens with a light vinaigrette. Dinner. Grilled shrimp skewers. 1. Marinated shrimp skewers grilled with bell peppers and onions. 2. Cauliflower rice or a small sweet potato on the side. Day 5. Breakfast, smoothie bowl. Blend together a combination of spinach or kale, unsweetened almond milk, a small amount of low-glycemic fruit, like berries or half a banana, and a scoop of protein powder. Make sure it's suitable for diabetics. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top with sliced fruits, nuts. Lunch, quinoa and avocado salad. 1. Cooked quinoa mixed with diced avocado, black beans, corn, red onion, and cilantro. 2. Dressing, lime juice, olive oil, and a pinch of cumin. Dinner. 1. Baked chicken breast with roasted vegetables. 2. Herb marinated chicken breast baked with a side of roasted vegetables, asparagus, carrots, and Brussels sprouts, drizzled with olive oil. Day 6. Breakfast, cottage cheese with berries. Cottage cheese is a good source of protein and pairs well with fresh berries. Choose the lowest sugar option available and combine it with a variety of berries for added fiber and vitamins. Lunch, Greek salad with grilled chicken. 1. Grilled chicken breast on a bed of Greek salad, cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese. 2. Dressing, lemon juice, olive oil, and oregano. Dinner. Zucchini noodles with pesto sauce. 1. Zucchini noodles, zoodles, sautéed with cherry tomatoes, garlic, and a homemade pesto sauce, basil, pine nuts, garlic, olive oil. 2. Topped with grilled shrimp or baked tofu. Day 7. Breakfast, quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa and top it with sliced almonds, diced apples or pears, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can drizzle a small amount of sugar-free maple syrup or honey for added sweetness, but use sparingly. Lunch, spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. 1. Chicken breast stuffed with spinach and feta cheese, baked to perfection. 2. Served with a side of quinoa and steamed green beans. Dinner. 1. Vegetarian chili. 2. Hearty chili made with a variety of beans, tomatoes, bell peppers, and chili spices. 3. Topped with a dollop of Greek yogurt and sliced green onions. May these breakfast ideas not only nourish our bodies but also awaken our passion for mindful eating, inspire our creativity in the kitchen, and instill in us a profound sense of empowerment in shaping our own health and happiness. With each day, let us embrace the possibilities of these morning meals, forging a path to wellness that is uniquely ours, and celebrating the joy of nourishing ourselves and our loved ones with love, care, and delicious diabetic-friendly breakfasts for a healthier and happier life. By embracing these 7 breakfast ideas, we have discovered the immense potential of simple, wholesome ingredients in transforming our mornings into moments of nourishment and rejuvenation. From the vibrant colors of a Greek yogurt parfait to the savory goodness of a veggie omelet, each recipe exemplifies the harmonious union of taste and well-being. Moreover, these diabetic-friendly breakfast ideas not only cater to individuals with diabetes but also provide valuable insights for those seeking to achieve weight loss goals. The emphasis on low-carb, high-fiber options with ample protein content not only aids in maintaining stable blood sugar levels but also promotes satiety and facilitates weight management.